Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: account, server slot, and file access. Next, upload the mod. Jar files into the server's mods folder using the File Manager or SFTP. This replaces the old upload step. Once done, make sure the Forge or Fabric loader matching your Minecraft version is installed on the server. You need that to run mods. If you're unsure which loader, check the mod's name or manifest. Finally, restart the server to apply the new files so the next steps have a clean state. Once the files are in place, configure the runtime. Select the correct server jar, Forge, or Fabric from the Falixnodes panel and set Java memory to accommodate the mods. Then, inspect mods for conflicts, compare versions and library dependencies, remove duplicates or outdated add-ons. Make sure to edit the /config files for mod-specific settings, like ID and feature toggles, so they don't clash. After adjusting configs and memory, restart the server and watch the console for dependency errors or stack traces. Now connect and test each mod's functionality, watching the server console for errors in real time. If the server fails or mods crash, stop the server and revert to your backup, then reintroduce mods one at a time to isolate the culprit. Make sure to review console stack traces for missing APIs or version mismatches, and consult mod config entries to disable conflicting features. Finally, optimize by lowering view distance or increasing RAM if performance suffers, and restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.